So for section 2.4, we are given some information from a survey, and we can use a Venn diagram and that information to gather to conclude additional information. So we're going to start. I'm going to do this example number 1 in the video, and then we'll do some more examples in class. But in this diagram, this first Venn diagram, we have this collection of people who are Twilight fans, Harry Potter fans, or Hunger Games fans, or some combination. So we want to identify the regions in which the following fans could lie in a Venn diagram. So this, if this person likes Harry Potter, well, this would be the person who likes Harry Potter, all of P, right? So that would be P, or the regions are so C, B, E, or F, right? It could be in any of those pieces. All right, the next bit, these people like Twilight and the Hunger Games. So they would be in regions D or E, which is the same thing as T intersected with G. Okay, and then next we're looking at fans who like all 3 series. So if they like all 3, then they're going to be in that middlemost place. It would be P intersected with T intersected with G, which would be region E. Okay, now for fans who do not like Twilight, think about that as T complement. What regions would that be? Well, it would be everything that's not in T, so that would include even out here. So that would be regions C, F, G, and H. And then, hopefully that makes sense. It's everything not in T, so it's all these other regions. And then for the next one, these fans only like Harry Potter. So they like Harry Potter, but nothing else. So they would be in here, only Harry Potter. If you included B or E or F, these folks like other things also, and that's not what we're looking for. We want people who only like Harry Potter. So that would be just region C. And then the next one, we have these fans like 2 or more of these. So all the fans in region E like all 3. These guys like both Harry Potter and Twilight. These guys like Harry Potter and the Hunger Games. And these guys like Twilight and the Hunger Games. So you're looking at regions B, E, D, and F. Okay, so now let's put some like numbers to that. So we are being told that the cardinality of T, that's the number of fans who like Twilight, is 50. The number of fans in region B is just 10. This is 10. The number of fans in region E is 5. Can I now say how many fans are in region A? Well, I know that all of T is 50, but I don't know anything about D. So I have 2 of those 4 pieces of information. I know that A plus, can't even see those letters anymore, A plus B plus E plus D, that would be 50. And I know that this is 10 and that this is 5, but I still have 2 unknowns, so I can't tell anything else about that. I would need to know something more about D to tell anything about A. Okay, So then in B, suppose I told you that the number of fans in D was 20. E is 5 and F is 15. And then the number in little g is 400. Okay, so let's erase this stuff. So the number of things in big G would be equal to the number of things in each of those other regions, right? G, F, G, F, E, and D. And we have been told that G is 400, F is 15, E is 5, and D is 20. So yeah, we actually know how many fans there are who like, is that the Hunger Games? And that's 440. Just add all those up. Okay, and then going back to the region T, so fans who like Twilight, that would be, so N of T, you're going to add up all of those regions, all of these. So A, B, E, and D. And we are told that the number of people who like Twilight was 50. And then in region A, we don't know. Region B, we have 10. Region E, we have 5. And then region D, we have 20. So we can figure out what A is then. That's 35 plus A, right? 50 equals 35 plus A, which means that A has to be 15. And so we can use information. What's going to happen is that we're given pieces of information, we're going to fill those in and then use them to make conclusions. We will start in class with this example, and hopefully it will make sense. Email me if you have any questions.